Let's do at-home lash extensions for the first time together. Very first step is to curl your lashes, and then we're going to start off with the bonder section at a time with the map that I've listed on the screen. When starting with the outer corner, remember to leave a little gap because applying the lash cluster to the very end of your eye just drags your eye down, and we do not want that. Remember to bond each section before grabbing your lash, and then shift the lash cluster twice on your natural lashes to really get that bonder to stick. Now, final step is to seal your lashes and then repeat on the other side. Once everything is dry, I use a spoolie to make sure it's not too clumpy, and now we're done.
Here's 5 tips that I wish I knew before I actually became a lash educator. Number 1, you cannot depend on being a great lash artist to drive students in through your door. It is not enough, I promise you. Being a great lash artist and being able to create the most beautiful sets does not qualify you to actually train people how to do lashes. Remember that the skill of lashing and the technique aspect of it is literally only a portion of what makes a good lash educator. Number 4 is too much information can actually be more damaging to your student than actual good. And number 5 is my personal favorite, but the higher the price point, the more invested they're actually going to be in their training and their success. Looking to become an educator, or are you an educator? Then follow us for more tips and tricks on how you can improve.
I'll be calling while she's getting her lashes done, talking about taking hella long. I can hear you, sir. 9 times out of 10, she have you on speakerphone. And if she don't, the phone is up to her ear and her head is damn near in the lap of my coochie and my face on her face, looking into her eyelashes. You think I don't hear you talking shit? But another thing, if you know my girl comes to see me every Wednesday, do not have her coming into her appointment sad with her eyes fucking fluttering because you got her fucked up. This is exactly why our policies are as follows. Client must pack an overnight bag.